If you have Gemini or Google Assistant completely disabled on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, here's what you can do in order to turn it on. So we're gonna go to settings first, and in settings we need to scroll down to find Google option. Once you open Google services, switch to all services and then scroll down in here in order to find search assistant and voice. Now let me actually go back over here. Over here, this is the main menu of this page of search assistant and voice. So once you are in here, you want to go to Google Assistant first and then scroll down to find the general. And then in the general, we can enable Google Assistant first. So this allows you to activate the digital assistant from Google, which is of course first the Google Assistant. But now if you actually want to use the Gemini instead, then we can go back and choose digital assistant from Google, and we can switch from Google Assistant to Gemini like this. And then in addition to that, we need to tap on Use Gemini in the bottom right corner. And there we go. Now, besides that, we can of course make sure that the Gemini or Google Assistant is assigned to the power button. So if you want to quickly open this Gemini or Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power button, then we can open additional settings in the main page of settings, then open gesture shortcuts, and then over here we have Launch Digital Assistant. And we can of course make sure that it is enabled. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.